Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove movies from my list on Netflix. So here I've already opened the netflix.com and you can start by choosing the profile, and in here to go to your list you can click on the my list options at the top. So these are the list of movies that I want to watch, and let's say I want to remove a movie. I'm going to remove this one. You can just click on the movie title that you want to remove, and you can just uncheck this
चलो
option, this button, to remove it from
बैक
your
खोलो
list.
मैम हम कोहिनूर एयरलाइंस के
And
लिए काम
close
करते
it.
हैं।
तो
And after that you can see, you can just refresh it first. So now the movie that I removed before will no longer be here on my list. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.